Communication forms session 4 of the Circle programme. How important is communication in your business? Not only within your team, but also to your customers and your clients. And yet it's something that we find really difficult. Okay, so what if there was a system that you could use every time you communicated an important message? Session 4 shows you exactly what that system is. We call it 6 steps. It's very simple. Once you learn it, you can apply it to all kinds of things across your business, including sales, interviewing, meetings, all kinds of areas. It will save you time, it will save you money, and also it will help increase revenues within your business. So, learning about communication, come along to the Circle programme, contact me directly, rebecca.boddington@showlawsgroup.com, or visit my microsite scaleup101.com, where you'll find all the materials. Thanks and see you soon.